Bros, nams, hams, and bros, brohams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bed Wars. And if you have not noticed, I have been out. I have been not uploading for, I think, exactly a month now. Depending on when I get this video out. When I'm recording, I think it's been exactly a month. But yes, so I have not been doing anything. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, so as you can see, I am a tad rusty. Yeah, I just haven't been playing at all in a while. I've just been playing other games, you know. Okay. Die. Okay, how'd that guy kill me, bro? I literally hit him way more times. Don't get my bed, though. Please don't. Please don't. Please, you have less health, bro. It would really benefit me if you didn't kill me. Now I'm gonna jump off because I have no health. I'm gonna eat this apple just because I am a tad bit scared. And I shouldn't have been, because that was like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Got him. I mean, I still remember how to play the game. Like, it hasn't been that long. I mean, come on, this is the first time I've played in, I think, a month. And I'm doing quite well for myself. Now, at first, I wasn't recording because I was spending a lot of times getting new OBS settings. And, I was working on this pack. If you see, this is a little sneak peek to my 2K pack. There, I'm gonna change a little bit more things, but everything is so far that I've made and like done with it has been really clean. So those are like the first like 2 weeks I was out. The other 2 weeks, I mean, so part of my family came to my house, and if you don't know, my internet's really bad. And so when my uncle came, it just kind of like the ping, you know, the stuff you need to play multiplayer video games with, just kind of like skyrocketed. If I have a million ping, then I just can't play. It's that simple. There's nothing more to it. So instead of like recording at night, which I was doing anyway, I was like, I could still do that, but then I was like, you know, I could also just like not. I've also been really busy with like school and stuff, so you know, I was also taking a little break. I was really enjoying that break, but now I see that it is time to return. The Bed Wars player must return at some point, and now is that time. White is over there. I think I can get him. Unfortunately, though, this guy is a knockback stick, I feel like. I have ladders, though, which is like the best thing in the world. Yes. Where'd you go? You are over there. Am I frozen? I sure am, and this is what I'm talking about. My ping is so bad. And yeah. See, that's why I kind of stopped. Somehow, even though I haven't been recording, my videos have still been gaining views. Get out. Wow, that was so strange. That like worked, but it also like didn't work. Like, I don't know. This hit registration with 130 ping is not great. I was going to, I also play a game called Rocket League, if you know what that is. And I'm pretty good at it, so I was like, hey, I'll play some of that too. But the thing is, that also takes ping, and ping is something I have a lot of. Which, I mean, you know what I mean. It's just not good. It's just not good. This game's pretty easy. I can challenge myself by just doing stupid things like I would with like a 2 a.m. Bed Wars series. The only reason I really like this game is just because it's easy, you know. I feel like I could probably coach people. I don't know what the demand is for getting good at Bed Wars, but I could probably coach some people. I could probably, like, I don't know, just be funny. I like doing commentary with it because commentaries are just so easy to make. Sir, that's not cool. Am I frozen again? Absolutely. And we're frozen. And frick. I'm playing at 9 o'clock at night. I should not be freezing. And that's cool. I'm frozen again. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Blue's over there. Please, blue, don't do this to me. Can I kill him? Somehow I did. Oh, you're gonna pearl? I'm gonna pearl. Oh, actually, that was a terrible pearl. Wasn't a terrible pearl. Bang, 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 bang. You're out. Yeah, do you guys like the pack? It's pretty cool. Night is cool too. Let me change it to night real quick. Oh, change that to night. Look at this, bro. It's so clean. It's just so bright. Like, just great. All right, ping. Don't do your magic. Just be good. Oh, I am bad. That was some knockback. Let me eat this gapple, actually. You have no health. Hopefully that's a good thing. Nope. Thank you for, like, not doing that. And can you die now? You have no prot. What are you doing? Die. Yes, I won. See, it's just an easy game. So, one game I've been playing a lot of is chess. Now, the reason being is because I think chess is the only game where I can actually have a low lag. It's just, like, normally I can't have low lag, but in this game it's fine. I don't know what he's doing. This is very strange. I guess I'll just put that there. One thing it does is tell you where the person is. So, like, this guy's from Norway. I guess those Norwegians are pretty crazy about their chess. I think he's planning on going here, but I don't know why I would just let him do that. We're gonna put it there, then I'll move it. Yep, move. If he takes me though, that's checkmate. He's not the brightest. Alright guys, well I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Depending on what you guys want me to do, just comment down below. If you guys want to see me play some chess, comment down below. If you guys want to see me play Rocket League, or keep playing Minecraft, or, you know, maybe do some, like, reaction videos of just funny stuff I've found online, I think that'd be funny. So just comment what you want me to do. You guys will probably say stick to Minecraft. But yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side.